Hello, childrens. Lesson number 5th, expansion formulae. Lesson number 5th, expansion formulae. Under this lesson, yesterday we practiced the expansion of practice some of the example which is based on the expansion of x plus a and x plus b. Okay, based on this we solve this example. Today we are going to start the next and I told you to solve this practice set number 5.1, and if you have any doubt regarding to this practice set, I told you to tell me, but I think all of you solved it correctly because not a single message is means I seen on my WhatsApp that is you didn't understand this question and whatever is there. Until you have the doubt, no problem, you ask me, I will clear your doubt. Now today we are going to see the expansion of a plus b brackets cube. A plus b brackets cube is the expansion we are going to see. So first of all, what is the meaning of a plus b bracket cube? The a plus b bracket cube means a plus b and a plus b cube means 3 time multiplication. So here it is, you seen that if in between two bracket there is a multiplication sign. Okay. Next, what we have to do here a plus b, one a plus b keep here as it is, and these two's multiplication is a plus b bracket square, a plus b brackets square. Again, the next step of it is that you have to keep this a plus b as it is only, and you have to do the factorization of a plus b bracket square, and as you know that the factorization of a plus b bracket square is the a square plus 2ab plus b square. After that you have to do the multiplication of these two brackets. Okay, so a into this whole bracket, a into whole bracket, and plus b into whole bracket you have to do, and now do the multiplication. So a into a square is a cube, a into 2ab is equal to 2a square b, a into b square, ab square, same here, b into a square, b square, b into 2ab square, and plus b into b square is equal to b cube, and after that you will get this formula. Okay, so a cube right here as it is, b cube right here as it is, a square plus b is equals to 2 sorry, 1 minute, ab square, 1ab square plus 2ab square is equal these two's addition, ab squares. Okay, so is 3ab square, and these two's addition is the 3a square b. So it is the factorization formula of a cube plus b is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so what I will do, I will show you this multiplication, then it will be clear for you. So here it is a plus b brackets cube means what I told you, the multiplication of a plus b 3 times, a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Next step, what I told you, I am taking is equal to sign here because space problem is there. Otherwise you have to take here below only this sign, below is equal to sign you have to take. So a plus b right here as it is, and do the multiplication of these both brackets. So a plus b brackets square. Next step of it is that a plus b, here a square plus 2ab plus b square. In next step, a into this whole bracket, multiplication, a into bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this plus b into bracket a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now do the multiplication, a into a square, it is a cube, a into this a into 2ab is equal to 2a into a square b, 2a square b. Now do the multiplication of a and b square, it is ab square. Now do the multiplication, that bracket's multiplication is over. Now do the multiplication of this side. Okay, so b into a square b, b into 2ab is plus 2ab square, and plus b into b square is equals to b cube. Okay, so this is the multiplication, we had done it here. Now next step is that, 1 minute. So next step of this is the, take the a cube here, 2a square b plus a square b is equals to 3a square b. ab square plus 2ab square is equal to 3ab square and remaining b square. Okay, so this is the factorization of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. It is the factorization of a plus b brackets cube. Okay, so this is the method. 2 times I told you, one I told you in the textbook only, and how it was derived, that also I told you step by step. Okay, so keep this formula. This is not important for exam. Important is that expansion. Okay, so you have to keep this formula in your mind. Just I told you, it is very important, very important. You have to learn this. A plus b bracket square is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube, and that is the factorization. Based on this we will solve the example. Okay, so here a plus 3 bracket square, how to expand this? Here it is cube is there, in between plus sign is there, so it is similar to a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. So in this example, a means 3 and b means a means x and b means 3. So according to formula, this is the formula in front of you. I will expand it and show you. So first of all, x plus 3 x plus 3 brackets cube equals to, first term square means a cube, means here what will come? X cube. Okay, plus 3a square b plus 3, a means x is here, so 3x square, b means what is 3 is here, into 3, multiplication is there in between them, plus 3ab square plus 3, this is the formula inside, 3 is present, that 3, here it is x means a and b square means 3 square into 3 square, and plus b cube means 3 cube. Okay, so according to formula we factorize this x plus 3 in this way. Now let us solve the example. So x cube, multiplication of this is the 3 3s are 9, sorry, plus sign is here, 3 3s are 9x square. Okay, and this one 3 square is 9 and 9 3s are 18 plus 18x square and 3 cube is 27. So in this way we are factorized x plus 3 bracket cube by using formula a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. Okay, so in this way, if you see here, this is the a cube, 3 into both multiplication, 3 into x square 3 means 9x square, and then 18x square plus 27 is its answer. Okay, now we move towards the, see here, that only we solve, 9 3 is 27. I think I had done one mistake here in example inside. So here it was, here I written 18. Okay, actually 3 square is 9 and 9 3 is 18. We have 9 3 is 27. Sorry, by mistake I told that. Just correct it. Okay, so its factorization is first term square. These 3's multiplication is 3 3 is 9x square. 3 square is 9, 9 3 is 27. That I had done mistake. Sorry for that. And 27x and plus 27. Okay, now we will factorize this 3x plus 4y bracket cube. 3x plus 4y bracket cube. 3x plus 4y bracket cube. According to formula, 3 means 3x formula is a cube plus 3a square b. Formula I am writing here, a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. Okay, in previous exam I done one mistake. I told you, you just correct it. So according to formula we have to do here 3x bracket cube plus 3 this formula inside 3 is there, that we have to write here. 3 into a square means first term square, 3x bracket square, and b means 4y. Okay, plus again 3a square b. So 3 into a means 3x, 3 means a means 3x, and y square means 4y brackets square, and plus 4y brackets cube, 4y brackets cube. So let us solve this example. 3's cube is 27, x cube is cube, plus, so let's solve this example. 3 square is 9. So here 3 into 9x square plus into 4y plus 3, this is multiplication we will do, otherwise write here next step inside, right? 3 into 3x, 4 square is the 16 y square, and 4 cube is the 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64 y cube. Okay, and when you solve this, you will get the factorization of 3x plus 4y brackets cube. So 27x cube. Do the multiplication of this. 3 4s are 12, 12 9s are 108x square y, x square y. 3 4s are 12, 12 9s are 108 x square, and x right here as it is. Okay, plus here 3 into 16. You do the multiplication. 3 into 3 into the multiplication of 16 into 3 into 3 is the 144. So 16 16 3 3s are 9 and 16 9s are 144 x y square, and plus 64y cube is the factorization of 3x plus 4y brackets cube. You just check this all plus sign and all. Okay, sometimes here screen inside what happens, there will be little bit confusion in sign and all, so all of you note down this. Okay, so in this way, what is our answer? 27x cube, sorry, see here I had done mistake. 27x cube plus 108x square y, 144xy square plus 64y cube is the factorization of 3x plus 4y brackets cube. Okay, so in this way, by using formula, just see here we solve it, it is same like this. Okay, in this way you have to solve the question number 2nd. Now what we will do, we will see the question number 3rd. 2m upon n and n upon 2m brackets 2m upon m, 2m upon n, 2m upon n plus n upon 2, sorry, n upon 2m, yes, correct. So 2m upon n plus n upon 2m bracket cube, its factorization we have to do. So according to formula, first term's cube is equal to 2m upon n brackets cube plus 3 into both terms multiplication, 3 into 2m upon n into n upon 2m. Here it is square, this term square is there. Okay, so the next step is the plus a square b, and here now 3 into b square, so 2m upon n, and here n upon 2m, here it is square, plus n upon 2m brackets cube is here. Okay, here it is not means typing. Next we have to solve the example. So 2 square is cube is 8m cube n cube plus 3 into 2 square is 4m square n into n upon 2m plus 3 into 2m upon n, and here square is the n square upon 4m square, and plus n cube plus n cube upon 2's cube is 4m cube. Okay, so here let us cancel which terms are get cancelled. M 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 m cancels with this square, n get cancels with this. So what is remains? So first of all 8m cube upon cube is here, cube upon n cube plus 3 2s are 6, here it was 2, 3 2s are 6, and here only remain 1 m. Okay, now it's inside this, this n get cancels with this n's, 2 m's are there, 1 8 cancel with this, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, and this 2's multiplication is 6, and remaining m we written as it is. Now here also same, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, m get cancels with this 1 m and n cancels with this 1 n. Then next step of it is that here n square is there, sorry, n square. So here n squares, 1 n is cancelled and here remains 1 n, m upon n. And then here this side also same, plus 3, and here remains 3, here 2 is there, 3n upon m 2m, 3n upon 2m. Okay, and then last it is the n cube upon 2's cube is 8, here 8 we want, 8n m 8m cube. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the example, that is the, if you see here we will see this example where it was solved. Here that space means screen is means small to solve this example, so it's some mistake may be there, we will check in the textbook. So here it was the example and it is correct. So see here, first term's cube, last term's cube, 3 into here 2 square is 4m square n square, n upon 2m. Okay, and then same is here. So 2 m get cancels with this square, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, n square la n's cancel. So here remain 3 2s are 6 m upon n, and here 1 n cancels for this, 1 m cancel for this square, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So here 3n upon 2m, and here last term square is the n square upon 8m cube, n cube upon 8m cube. So in this way we have to do the practice of this third one. Now fourth example, 41. What is the meaning of 41's cube? 41 cube means 41's cube means 40 plus 1 brackets cube. According to formula, first term's cube means 40's cube is equals to 40's cube, a square, plus 3ab means 3 into 40 into 3a square b, 3a square, a is here 40, so 40 into 1, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3a means 40 and b square means 1 square. Then place 1's cube means b's cube, that is according to formula we factorize. Now let us solve the example. 4's cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, and cube is here, that's why here 0 we have to write here 3 times. If you done the multiplication of 40's multiplication 3 times, you will get the 64,000. Okay, plus 3 into 40 square is the 4 square is 16 and 00 and into 1. Now we have to do the multiplication of this, plus 3 into 40 into 1 and plus 1's cube is 1. Now for the next step what we have to do here, we have to do the this one right here as it is 64,000 plus these 3's multiplication. So 16 3s are 48 and 00. Multiplication of this is the 3 is the 4800. Now do the multiplication of this, 3 4s are 12 and 12 43 is a 120, 120 into 1 129 plus, and do the addition of this. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Now 0 0 2, then here 0 8 1, 8 plus 1 is the 9, and then next is the 4 4, it is 8, and remaining 68,921. 68,921 is the answer for the 41's cube. 68,921. See here. So in this way, by using factorization method of the cubes, we can find the cube of any number by using the formula, that is the a plus b brackets cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so in this way all of you solve the practice set. All of you I hope understand, but only one mistake I had done because of some screen problem. Here I told you 18, but there you do the correction. Here it was 27, because here 3 square is 9 and 9 3 is a 27 is there. So all of you see this video properly and solve the practice set number 5.2. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.